beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this amazing channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. We love visitors. In this channel we do a lot of homemaking and cleaning, a little bit of cooking and everything in between, because for us everything around us is content. So today I'm going to be doing a deep clean, or rather cleaning up my kitchen. January has been a very dusty month and I've realized that dust is building up really fast. So I've just decided to clean up everything, and I will start by cleaning the rack, my utensil rack, because it was quite dusty. I normally clean it once a week on Saturday, the whole of it, but I've realized I think I need to be doing it twice a week, because my kitchen is right next to the balcony, which allows a lot of dust in the house. So stick around and get motivated to clean up your spaces, and specifically your kitchen space. My kitchen does not have the closed cabinets, and that is one of the reasons why my utensils get dirty faster. So I will put into consideration the next time when I'm looking for a house, I will not go for a house without closed cabinets. So here I was just trying to wipe up the utensils. I decided to reduce the number of utensils in my rack, and I will be storing them in a storage space that is usually down below the counter space. So for the rack, I'll just use some water, my scoring, what do we call it? This thing for washing, that item for cleaning, and dishwashing soap. Yeah. Most of the utensils in this rack were already cleaned up, so I will only rinse a few of them, and especially the spoons, because we don't use all of them. So I believe that storage space of the spoons is dirty. I'm also going to be cleaning it. That one that I usually put lids, I'll also clean it too. And that will be it about the cleaning. I also have a few dirty utensils, like 2 sufurias and a plate that we had used over lunch hour. I will also take care of them.
Connection is disconnecting from the source within. There were parts of my core, senseless and frozen, wisdom hidden, locked up in my soul. Oh, now it's the time to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm digging, got my feet on solid ground. No more levitation.
Next, I just went ahead to clean up the space above. We don't have the closed cabinets as earlier said. This is what we have, these open cabinets, and they really get dusty. So I'll be wiping up all these containers that you have seen me getting out of there, and I'll also clean up this space. And after I'm done with the living room makeover, I will come back and finish up on the kitchen, because I feel there is a lot of things I need to replace. But as for the time being, I'm just looking out for money to finish up my living room makeover. As you have seen, I think there are still cockroaches in my house. Maybe you can comment down below what is the best thing that I can use, or the best insecticide that I can use for these cockroaches, because the last time I used lava, which is a very strong insecticide, and it seems that it didn't work. So if you have an insecticide that can work, kindly recommend in the comment section.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky, when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky, when I'm on the other side.
Next, I just went ahead to clean up my cooker, and it was not dirty, so I just wiped some water that had splashed on it, and that was it with the cooker.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
I also cleaned up my door because it was quite dusty, and I was only using some cloth and water. But for the outer part, I was not able to show you because it's right in the balcony space, which is a bit squeezed. It's therefore difficult to just film. So you'll only see me cleaning the inner part, though I also took care of the outside.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Finally, I wiped off the floors, and let me say my kitchen is very, very squeezed. I hope the next time I'll be looking out for a house, I will get a very spacious kitchen because it's usually very difficult to clean using a rag, and I personally do not love cleaning using a mop. I don't even have one, but where this kitchen is very, very squeezed.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, that was it with the cleaning, and as you can see, the outcome was very good. Everything is clean, the sink is clean, the cooker is clean, the shoe rack is clean, my shelves are also clean, and I'm really happy about that. I think January has been a very dusty season, and hence I have had to do very, very many cleaning videos because I've just spent my time just doing cleaning here and there. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, and let me see you in my next video.
To explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear. And don't show and